Subtracting polynomials is a little bit different. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're subtracting polynomials is to distribute the negative. This is going to ensure that you subtract every term of the polynomial and not just the first one. So what I would do is just rewrite it first, distributing the negative. So we keep x to the fifth plus 5x to the third plus 7. And then we're going to subtract 8x to the fifth. We're also going to subtract negative 3. So I'm going to do some sketch notes up top. Minus negative 3 is the same as adding 3. So plus 3. And then we're going to subtract negative 4x cubed, which again is the same thing as plus 4x cubed. So plus 4x cubed. We're going to subtract again here. We do minus 6x cubed minus 9x and minus 2. We didn't need to do any changing of signs because these were all positive, so we just subtracted them. When you subtract a negative, we have to add. And now the process is the same as we did up top. So first, look, I see my highest exponent is a 5, so I'm looking for the x to the fifth. And now we have negative 8x to the fifth, or minus 8x to the fifth. So x to the fifth minus 8x to the fifth. There are no 4 exponents, so we move down to the 3's. And as you can see, these are the same terms, but from the adding problem, it's just going to come out a little different. So plus 5x cubed plus 4x cubed minus 6x cubed. All right, and now we move down to the x because there are no quadratic terms, so we move to the linear term. Minus 9x. And the constants, 7, 3, and negative 2. So plus 7, plus 3, minus 2. And now we're going to go ahead and once again add all the coefficients of these terms. Remember, there is an imaginary 1 in front of that x. So 1 minus 8 is negative 7x to the fifth. Now we're going to do 5 plus 4, which is 9, and then 9 minus 6, which is 3. So plus 3x cubed. Nothing to combine our linear term with, so we just bring that down again, minus 9x. And now we add all the constants. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, so plus 8. And this would be your final answer if you were subtracting these polynomials.